Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alena, you can call me the technology consultant. In this channel, I give free internet tips and also break down technology into the simplest form. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. In this video, I'm going to give you an honest review about making money with Bncmining. Whether it's really a legit way of making money online or a scam. Whatever I'm going to say in this video is my own personal opinion. You can decide to take it or not. Bncmining is a platform which is claiming partnership with the official Binance platform, which is really a lie. Let me give you my proofs why. This Bncmining is using the same logo as the official Binance and faking their website as Binance, which I can't say anything about for now because they claim to be part of Binance. The first difference I will talk about here is the income rate between the two, as they claim to be part of Binance. Then I'm going to compare the two. Looking at the official Binance website, they give 12.99% in a year while BNC gives 365% in a year at minimum investment and 2,920% at maximum investment. The difference is very huge here, and this alone should tell you that these two aren't the same. If they were to be the same, the rate wouldn't have been that much. The second reason why this Bncmining isn't legit is that Binance isn't aware of them as they claim. If Binance is aware of this BNC, they would have mentioned them or made a post about them on the Binance official platforms. I have taken my time to go through the official Binance platforms and I never see anything like Bncmining. Also, looking at the official Twitter page of BNC, they have fewer followers and the difference is too much between the two. Another reason why BNC is a fake website is that you don't need any verification to log in. And legit mining sites will like to know if is mining on their platform. Never trust any site without KYC. KYC simply stands for Know Your Customer. Any site which doesn't care about KYC is only after your money. When you also click on the exchange on the BNC site, it redirects you to the official Binance site. Why so if it's claiming to be legit? For these reasons, I can boldly tell you that Bncmining is not a legit site to invest your money because they can run away with it anytime. They are an HYIP site. HYIP stands for High Yield Investment Program. They will only deceive you with their high-paying format and eventually run with your money when they get their target amounts. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching and also do me a favor by sharing it with others. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.